Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make tuna fish curry. To begin, ensure you have all your ingredients prepped. You will need 2 cans of tuna, about 1 cup of rich coconut milk, and essential spices like 2 tablespoons of curry powder. Don't forget your aromatics: 1 medium onion, 3 cloves of garlic, and a 1-inch piece of fresh ginger, plus 2 green chilies for a pleasant kick. Now, let's build that incredible flavor base. Start by heating 2 tablespoons of cooking oil in a pan over medium heat. Add your finely chopped onion and sauté it gently until it becomes beautifully golden brown, which usually takes around 5 minutes. Next, introduce the minced garlic, grated ginger, and sliced green chilies, cooking for just about 1 minute until fragrant. Finally, stir in your dry spices, toasting them for 30 seconds. With your aromatic base ready, it's time to combine everything. Gently add the 2 cans of drained tuna to the pan, stirring it into the spice mixture. Then, pour in 1 cup of creamy coconut milk and about a 1/2 cup of water. Bring the curry to a gentle boil, then reduce the heat to low. Let it simmer for 10 to 15 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld and the sauce to thicken slightly. For the perfect finish, taste your delicious tuna fish curry and adjust the salt to your preference. A squeeze of juice from 1/2 a lime will add a wonderful brightness and balance to the flavors. Finally, garnish generously with 2 tablespoons of fresh chopped cilantro. Serve this warm and comforting curry immediately with fluffy steamed rice or your favorite warm flatbread for a truly satisfying meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.